Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and I am Muhammad Irfanullah. So today we discuss about that how you check your JW201 or 20 form visa number, visa form number, because mostly students ask from me that how we check, because we did not receive any kind of email from university but our status changed to admitted. So we are confused that we are selected from two or three universities, but we are waiting from that university, waiting for CSC result. How we can check our JW201 or 202 number? So mostly students confused about that. I already told to some students that according to this procedure and follow this procedure, you can check your JW201 or 202 number. Either you are selected from university scholarship or from CSE scholarship, then you can or will be selected for CSE scholarship. Then you can check your JW20 form, means your visa number is already is pasted on your university portal. So how you can check your visa form number? We'll discuss in this video, but we go to the computer screen and then I will tell you how you find your JW201 form or 202 form, and other important information we'll discuss in this video on computer screen. So good luck and we will meet on computer screen. Now we are on computer screen. The university is having the online system, the online theme like this. Here you can see, so you can check your visa form number according to this procedure. So if you are applied in 2 or 3 universities and your status changed to university status changed to final result unreleased, admitted, congratulations, your application is successful, same like that. Now you have to check your all of those universities portal in which you applied. So means if you are applied in 3 universities, ZZU and XJTU and SCUTU, so are these kind of all these universities. So if you applied, then you have to check your online portal status and your visa number. And how you can check this? So first of all, you need to open your online portal and log in your online portal. After that, you have to you can see, after login you can see the page like this. Here is the page. You can see, I'll tell you, here is the page. After opening this, you have to click on online application. After clicking on online application, you need to click on view option. Here is the view option. After that, after clicking on that, you can see here is your photo, your profile photo. Below your profile photo, here is number, which is your JW201 or 202 visa form number. Means if you applied for Chinese government scholarship, then it's your JW201 number, visa form number, and if you applied for university scholarship, then it's your JW202 visa form number. Once you get this number, it means your scholarship has been confirmed. So don't worry if you think that you didn't receive email and these kind of things. So don't worry about this. Your admission has been confirmed. So just wait for the final result, and your status already changed to admitted. If not changed to admitted, then it means your admission is confirmed once you get your JW202 number. So good luck, hope so you can get your point which you want to get. So we'll meet in the next video.